Hi everyone, in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to verify Cash App to send Bitcoin. In order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that you already have a Cash App account, and with that, make sure that you're connected to an internet service. So first of all, go ahead and log in into your account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Go ahead and select the icon from the bottom left hand side corner. Next page, you have to go and select your profile from the top right. When you go to your profile, scroll down and select Enable Bitcoin and locate the option that says Bitcoin Verification Options and go ahead and select that. After that, follow the prompt to complete the verification process. There will be instructions on what sort of documents and what sort of stuffs you'll be needed while to verify your account. So Cash App may request additional information to ensure your security of your transaction and all that. So make sure to go through it and complete the steps to verify your Cash App account. So that's how you can verify Cash App to send Bitcoin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.